Okay, am I live? Am I live? Okay, so today I got another test. Same medium mod, GoPro 9, but today I got an extra edition. Saramonic Blink500. See that there? So I'm gonna try this. Right now it's working off the front face mic with the wind buff. It's a little windy today, so that's why I wanted to come outside and make sure I get it in for the light. But I'm gonna try this next. Right now, this is with the medium mod. Got the buffer off. Let me take it off, see if it makes a difference. Now it's off, but the wind stopped. But after that, we'll plug this in, set it up, and I'm trying to take a walk. The house has all siding. It's aluminum siding for the most part. See if I lose my signal. Come back. Maybe I'll go to the corner, come back. See how this works. Okay, so now using the lavalier part of the mic right here. With this, you can either use this mic or I got a mic right over here. I'm gonna walk to the front of the house, come back, and then I'll probably switch it. So take off the cable and just use this. See how the quality, see if there's any quality change. Zip up my jacket. Maybe I'll also take a walk to the corner. Maybe I'll take a walk to the corner now. So stay tuned and I'll keep on talking. So since I gotta keep on talking, the Pistons won their first game yesterday. So Washington, the Wizards, they still haven't won a game yet. It's in the front too. Going back, your camera setup. And I'm almost there. I can see the camera. And boom, here I am back. So I don't know how well the sound is talking. I wasn't talking loud. I was talking at a moderate voice, like if someone was right next to me. You know, not shouting. Okay, so now with that done, I don't know if I should be doing this or not, but I'm just gonna pull out the mic. So now I'm talking through here. And let me see if the meter's moving. The meter's still moving, so that's good. You also have a volume over here on the side if you do want to change, like how if it's too loud or too low. I think right now it's in the middle. This is where you plug in the mic. That's for charging, but this is the mic right here. Oh, being that I didn't have it in my hand and I was tapping on it, I hope you were able to hear what I just said. I think I might have been covering it. So let's take another walk. I don't think I need to go over to the corner again, but I just want to make sure it still picks up. Let me go over here to the car first. Straighter line of view for the signal, so shouldn't be too hard right here. Okay. So now that's straight. Now let's go back. Now I'll go back around the house. It's a good thing I came out here for the daylight. I can get a few footsteps too. And now I'm at the side of the house. Oh, but I could come to the end of the driveway. I went around the house. And I can see the camera right there. Yep, I'm behind the car. I don't try to do long tests. I just want to see if it works in the range. So one day I could take this out to a park, because usually I shoot the videos when I go play basketball. I'll either have the camera on me, which is not good when you're shooting a basketball, or I'll put it to the side and then you can't hear me. So go inside, see how well this works, and then I know if I can rock with it or not. Probably could. think it looks good. But here I am. Sorry for the interruption, but how can I show you the way this mic works without showing you the open box? Now, of course, I've opened the box already. So as you can see, it's open and I've used it already. First, we have here, which is the user's manual. Also comes with warranty and some promotional stickers. Get that over there. Got the box. Gives you the contents. You know, if you have the feature, uses the 2.4 gigahertz to send the signal back and forth. That's probably why it cut off when it won't go through the house. But as long as you have a open space, I think you'd be fine. You can go pretty far with that. Should be pretty reliable. Tells you that it comes with the mic. And then you have what's in the box. 1, 2. You got the 2 cables here. This is the one that I use for the GoPro. And this one I believe you can use for your phones, and you could probably use it for the DSLR cameras also. But I betting that this is probably the one that you gotta use for both, either way. Then you have 2 USB-C adapters, because both of those 2 units in there both use USB-C adapters to charge. Then we have the mic. You can also connect this mic to the camera if you don't want to use the wireless ones. There you go. I don't really know how long. It seems like it's, to me, about like 4 feet. Yeah, just about 4 feet long. Now, we have the receiver here. This is where you charge the power, the line that goes from here into the camera, and this is a pair button. I guess if it loses like a connection with the receiver, you can actually stick a pin in here to reset it, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's right here. And the pin comes with this. If you have one of those pins that gets your SIM card out of your phone, it's pretty much almost the same thing. Just stick that side in there to reset it. I don't know why it would lose it, but it would, I guess. And the receiver, which I showed you outside. I'm sorry, the transmitter, which I showed you outside. So charge there. If you want to use a external mic, you plug it there. And the input volume. So if you want it more sensitive, just press this one here. Less sensitive, this one here. To turn it on, you can turn off this one first, or either one, I guess it doesn't matter, but just hold down the power. You're gonna see it flashing blue, and when you hold this one on to turn it on, you get both of them with the steady light. When you turn this off, you're gonna get the flashing light again. Just hold this again, and you're done. And I believe that was everything that came in the box. Oh, snap. It also comes with a bag. Wow, I didn't see that before. I guess I didn't go that deep. I'm gonna hide that back in there so I can be surprised again later. Okay, so put these back. Like I said, it works great so far. So I'm definitely gonna be using it. I'm probably gonna try and use this more often too, even if I don't use the wireless ones. They don't really have a monitor on them. I guess you just have to wait for the light maybe to flash red. So I haven't used it so much so that the battery would die. So I don't know how long it's gonna last. I'm sure that information's in the manual. But like I said, there's no indicator on it to flash like a battery level. So at least nothing I know of so far. So, but that's it for now. I'm gonna neatly pack everything away and then throw this into the video. So that's it. Okay, just back out here. Finished the test. Did an open box one time too. So the mic can also plug directly into the camera. Just for people who didn't know, I wanted to add that in. Like I said, so I wanted to take a little walk with you to show you whereabouts the camera did cut off. It's a little dark now, but hopefully the lights will cut on soon. But I had the camera sitting right over there, like where the mop is, and walk this way. Like I said, it's a little dark, and I should get a light to cut on soon once I get to this door here. So it was about around here, so about this far. Don't know how well you can see back there. That's about where the camera cut off. So from there, you can see here. So yeah, that's about how far it is. But like I said, the siding on the house is aluminum, and I knew that was going to probably play a factor in it, not, probably not penetrating through. And then I went all the way around the corner and definitely got lost over there. So, but from here, had a straight line of view from the camera to the mic. So for the transmitter to the receiver, and that was good. So, like I said, it works good. It came out clear. I think it was better than the Media Mod mic itself, better than the internal mic, definitely. And I'm gonna be using it. So that's about it for now. And you can get back to the other guy now. Back to daytime. Don't forget, if you like what you see, I have a few more reviews. I gotta buy more gadgets, of course, but I'm trying not to spend that money. But little things like this can't hurt. So if you like, click subscribe. You can hit the alert if you want to stay up to date with what I'm posting. I'm trying to get into more shorts also, with totally off the topic. It doesn't have to be technology-wise or with my cameras or anything like that. The drones, like I said, the drone's working now. Beautiful. I can't wait to go flying. So till then, Brooklyn.